I don't think people understand how risky DIY skincare can be. Lemon juice sounds natural, but is it really safe for your face? Let's break down the truth. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C, which is great for brightening, on paper. But here's the catch. The acidity in lemon juice can actually harm your skin. It can cause irritation, dryness, and even make your skin super sensitive to the sun. That stinging sensation? Not a sign it's working, just your skin crying out for help. Instead, dermatologists recommend vitamin C serums made for your face. They're designed to deliver results without the burn. So while lemons are awesome in your water, maybe keep them off your cheeks. Before you try any new skincare hack, do a patch test. Or better yet, ask your dermatologist. Your skin is unique and deserves some love. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more myth-busting skincare facts. Got a question about skin? Drop it in the comments. I might cover it next.